All right, welcome back, guys. So in this series, we're going to work on the 3 different parts of our chest. All right, like we talked about in the last video, which the link is going to be down below. What's the 3 different parts of the chest? I know when you go in the gym, you see an incline press, a decline press, and a flat bench. All right, we're working on, well, you have the clavicle head, you got the sternum head, and you got the coastal head. Today we're going to be working on that clavicle head. All right, and I'm going to show you the a dumbbell incline press, and that is one of the most effective ways. All right, like always, guys, I like to keep this video short so you guys get right back to your workout. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, it really helps out. We're a growing channel, so do what you guys can to kind of help promote the channel, and let me know what we can do to improve. So, getting into it, how do you get your incline press? So I always do the third one up. All right, this is going to vary depending on your body size, but try to do the third one up. That's going to be your best bet. So when you're doing the incline press, all right, very simple. L straight shape all the way down to your body is extending and stretching. Then you're going to explode up and do a 3 count negative all the way down. All right, time on the teaching is what you guys are going to do to really help you promote a lot of that growth. You want to contract it up, then you want to extend it down while it's tearing your muscle fibers. Guys, I hope this video does help. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, thank you for all your help. Appreciate it.